Hey, I'm Rachel, your mess maker and your technical director, and thank you for joining me in the back workshop for Nail or Fail. And today I am going to try my hand at Pendulum Art.
Pendulum art is an art style that uses a pendulum and watered-down paint to create an elliptical pattern with the natural force of inertia. Basically, you hoist a can mixed with paint and water from something high with a hole in the bottom. Let it naturally swing down and it will do a little spinny and a twirly. And the final product will give you a random piece of spiral art.
Okay, I think I have everything. Let's get started.
The tricky bit is finding a location that has a high enough ceiling to swing down paint like a wrecking ball.
About 7 feet. I think I'm good. Because I am vertically challenged, kind of have to figure out how to get twine up there. What? No. What? No. What? Well, that didn't work well. Just got to get this little twine over top. Yay! Yeah! Yeah! That's awesome! I feel like I'm reenacting a scene from Dexter right now. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. I'm creating blood splatter. Did not quite go as planned.
I did forget to mix in water with my paint, so I ended up having to cut down my bottle and half-heartedly mix in water into said bottle that at this point had holes in both ends. I had more paint on me, the gear, and the floor than in the bottle. Go me.
Kind of looks like something out of the 1970s, 60s Christopher Lee vampire movies. I can officially say for my first nail or fail for spiral pendulum art, that was probably just a really big fail. I have a murder scene more than I have beautiful wall art.